Normal weather. Hang on tight as we enter the windy world of tropical storms. Nature displays itself in many ways. One of its most impressive forms is a kind of storm known as a hurricane, typhoon, or tropical cyclone. These powerful weather events form over tropical waters. The spinning circular storm can become very enormous, stretching over 900 kilometers across. The accompanying wind can reach speeds of more than 320 kilometers per hour. Storms also may reach a height of up to 15 kilometers. They spin around a center called the eye, which is a calm area with low wind speed. When these storms reach the shore, the gale force winds are sometimes strong enough to tear trees out of the ground. Heavy rains and crashing waves often cause flooding and tremendous damage to buildings. What's the difference between a hurricane, typhoon, and cyclone? The name depends on the storm's location. When a tropical storm forms in northwest Pacific Ocean, they are called typhoon. In the South Pacific and the Indian Oceans, they are called cyclone. In the Central and Western North Pacific and the Atlantic Oceans, they are hurricanes. No matter what terms you use, these powerful storms leave damage in their path.
好。